Hey guys, welcome back. So I was asked the other day about HD11 that wouldn't start. Click, put a trickle charge on it overnight. Next day, click. Yeah, well, chances are I got the click as well too. And it's battery's fully charged. And you guys hear that? By pressing start, battery's fully charged. And the culprit, which is, can't believe this, I backed this in here to do the video for the flashers, and thank God. If I would have went for a ride, I'd be stuck in the bush somewhere. But anyways, click. Part number 278003012. Starter relay. It actually, this is my problem, and it click, full battery. Chances are, this is your problem. But anyways, and this is the culprit. And what broke on mine is actually the stud, I guess, from factory over tightened, and it just broke off. But show you guys how to get to it. Follow me this way. So basically lift up both your seats, and you got to remove your floor mats if you got a limited. If you don't have a limited, you don't need to remove your floor mats, you just need to remove your battery cover. So these two little twistings. And then remember, don't lift up your seat on the passenger side all the way up, because you will rip the bottom, right? So you can either do it all the way down and not even bother looking and pull it, and that's going to be the best way to get that thing out there. But you can lift it a little bit just to make you some more room. Remove this out of the way. All right, so remove this and check this out. I was passing my wire behind the battery, and I happened to just touch this, and it went, and then this was sitting inside the cap here, not even connected. And it was just, I guess it was just barely touching the cap. The rubber cap was holding it in place, but I moved it since there. Now it's straightened out. But anyways, so it's a simple takeoff. It's just one clip right here, and there we go. Just lift up, pull, and it's gonna be 2 10 mils. One's broken off already on mine, so I just need to remove this one. There we go. So remember, one with the white tape at the top, the one without the white tape at the bottom. So is this 10 mil too? You couldn't have just put 2 10 mil screws to hold it in place. So it is an 8. Oops. Looks like they gave me the right part. Okay, so. I really don't want to drop the bottom one because I don't want it to lose it. I really don't want to lose it. There we go. Snap this little thing back into place. There we go. Don't want to bend the little legs there at the end there. it looks like this here. There's two in the bottom there. Alright, so these don't come with the nuts. So this one I would have had to grab a pair of vice grips and whatever and fix it, but I had already another one from another set, so put this back on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little lock washers on there because I don't want to over tighten it, and then when the lock washer goes flat, I'll just stop tightening it, and the pressure from the lock washer will do his job, and the lock nut will never back off, so I'll know that it's snug once the lock washer goes flat. So I won't bother to go more extreme than that. And this way here will prevent it from over tightening like the company did or whatever. So I put the little gap on the top so I can watch it. You guys don't need to do this if you don't want to. Well, that's 10 mil. But I'm just happy that I happened to find it. There, that's it. I'm not putting it tighter than that. Lock washer should do his job. Okay, so now the bottom one. So if you guys have some clicks there, go check this guy out. And if it is broken or whatever, you can actually hold it there and then put your foot on the brake with your other hand, then push the button. And once it starts, it doesn't need to make contact anymore. So you can basically get out of the bush or get out where the trail where you're at, as long as it touched to start it up. So. And it's not like you're gonna get a shock either, like if you just hold the rubber boot here and just hold it in place. That's it. Not over tightening them. So that's done with that. So it was under warranty. So that's it. So if you have the click. Now let's try the click if it's gone. So we'll press on the button. And the click is gone. So I'll stop this thing. I don't want to fumigate us. So yeah, so like I said, the part number at the beginning. If you have a click, check that out. And bring this back to the dealer for warranty. And we'll catch you on the next one. I just wanted you guys to let you know, because I was asked that question last week, or yeah, I believe it was last week. You know what it is, I put my batteries fully charged. And the thing is, with tracks, can you imagine? You can't start it, you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what the problem is. How are you gonna drag that on a trailer with a set of tracks like this? It'd be insane. Like, buddy's trying to pull you out of the bush. Like you'd have to go get what, Teflon or skis or go steal your kids' sleds and put them underneath, like a bunch of sleighs underneath the tracks to get them to work. But anyways, I just wanted to, like I said at the beginning when I got this thing, if we don't tell each other what the problems are, we won't know. This way here, now everybody that watches this channel knows if you jump in it and you press click, you know what you're going for. So, like I said at the beginning, here's the part number again, 278003012, and it's the relay, the starter relay right there. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. You guys are subscribing like crazy. This is fun. It's motivating me to do more and more videos. I wasn't expecting I'm doing a warranty job on my own Defender, but I guess I did. So bye for now, and you guys be safe out there.